EY, global professional services firm, covering audit or assurance services, tax, consulting, helping us reimagine the enterprise, and then of course, strategy and transactions. We focus on the industries that matter most to our clients. Telco is a major one that cuts across the globe where we truly dominate. Our technology alliances are really evolving in terms of us onboarding many more emerging tech companies to support our journey. We see truly interesting solutions out there that we can embed into our services, whether that's, for example, voice AI, which can be added onto a customer support solution, or solutions that evolve on redesigning the customer support function using AI, bolting onto our reimagining the customer experience. What EY is doing with our 120 partners is ensuring that we've got cutting-edge technology baked into our portfolio. So we're constantly on the lookout for new and emerging players and ways for us to collaborate, share, and go to market, bringing the best technology to our customers. Now, I feel like culture is one thing that you cannot delegate to AI. It's one thing that you need to manage from a human perspective. How do we keep human connectivity, despite the fact that our teams are going to be mixed between agents and humans? And driving that connectivity even stronger is going to be really important. There's been a whole lot of discussion, even here at MWC last evening, around, how much delegation can you do with AI in the recruiting process? How are you certain that you're really hiring a real person when your resume is prepared by an agent, it's reviewed by an agent, your first interview's with an agent? How are you really certain that you're driving the culture that you want if you're not even personally hiring the people most important for your team? And these are real questions for us to debate, but give a real insight as to how important that cultural element is. I feel cross-industry is super important because there's a cross-fertilization. And we talked just a minute ago about what several industries are doing. I think actually most interesting is the development that industry groups themselves are starting to look and say, how can I learn from what's happening in retail banking? How can I learn what's happening in retail fashion and combine those and take the best out of what's happening? I really believe EY has set a cross-industry, cross-firm approach to alliances and ecosystems to share exactly that benefit. And some of the technology we know cuts across several use cases to make this happen.